Welcome to OQLIS Quick Reference Help. Today we will be discussing the network diagram in the Explore. So let's move on to Explore. First I'm going to add a data model. For this example I will use the support tickets data model. And I'm interested in seeing the customer interactions grouped by the specific source and company, and I'm going to change that to a network diagram. So this is a quite interesting diagram showing you bubbles and lines connecting the different entities. You can zoom in, zoom out. What's interesting is you can see that the source type email was most used to communicate customer interactions with a specific company, and also the bubble indicates the amount of interactions with that specific entity. You can click on bubbles, drag them around, show them in different shapes. You can also view extra settings where you can change the text fields, so that's the fields that's displayed, the group fields that's displayed on next to each bubble. The value field indicates how large the bubble should be. Then you can change the color palette to something like OQLIS. It's a bit more colorful. Then you can change the palette mode to either blend, alternate or extrapolate, which indicates how if you have more than one palette and more than one category to group by, then it can alternate between different color palettes. But for now we just leave it as blend. The layout solver can change the way this network diagram looks. This is this one. There's also this repulsion, which moves around quite a bit. And then there's also a hierarchical repulsion, which is static in a way, but it bounces around. So it's a bit cluttered and disorganized. I'm just going to change back to forced layout, which looks like this. You can always drag this around, make it look a bit better. You can also change if it's in a hierarchical layout. So you can see by email is the most used source of interaction with these companies, and then phone and Twitter and all the rest follows. You can also change the way the nodes react. I'm going to change this back to false, and the node, you can either change it to a circle or ellipse or a nice looking database and even a box or diamond or a square or a triangle down, text, or even a star. I like the dot one. And you can also change where the edges, hide edges, true. Then there's no lines. Edge smoothing, can change that to true. Then it curves the lines. Or even edge type is make it a straight cross, or curved CE, W, or continuous. I'm just going to leave that as dynamic. Now I'm happy with my Explore. I want to remember to save your Explore in the way you want it. Close the settings there, scroll up and click save. I'm going to call this network diagram and save it in the OQLIS Quick Reference Help space. Click save. Add that to your dashboard. I'm going to add that to the OQLIS Quick Reference Help dashboard, and it will redirect you to the dashboard where you can drag your Explore and also move around your network entities. Thank you very much.